Anyang GEMCO Energy Machinery Company Limited. GEMCO is a manufacturer of machinery who devoted to environmental protection, conservation and green energy. GEMCO manages its own R&D center for many years and has cooperated with a number of external R&D teams at institutions of higher education. After years of development, the company has perfected its processes of designing, manufacturing, installing, technical training, and after-sales service. GEMCO has built lots of biomass pellet, briquette, oil press and refining turnkey projects around the world, including 32 tons per hour pellet production line in Vietnam and 150 tons per day soybean oil processing factory in Zambia. GEMCO has got ISO 9001 certificate. The company's exports include a range of machinery in biomass energy producing, briquette producing, and oil pressing. The machinery is designed for functionality and easy maintenance. Company also owns patented technology. The company is outstanding in the domestic market and has exported its machines to over 50 countries around the world. So company earns a favorable reputation internationally. As the global supply of traditional energy sources are depleted and the demand to protect the environment becomes urgent, biomass energy has moved to the forefront of the alternative energy movement due to its carbon neutrality. GEMCO seeks to increase the availability of machinery, which is used to harness the power of biomass energy to ensure environmental protection and sustainable development.